All right, big dogs. Now it's getting a lot easier.
Girl, you're working with some ass, your bad jam, make a
Que rollo, mis cochones. We're back once again with this damn Mercedes Benz. Got the new part in. Y'all can see this is the old one right here. There's the new one right there. Put the screws back in. We're able to put this hose in. And as y'all can see, what I did, let me turn the flash on. What I did is I got one of those hose clamps. That way, it's a lot easier than this motherfucker over here. If I can find it. I know I had it here somewhere. Maybe it fell. Have no idea. I don't know where I put it. Could have sworn it was right here. But anyways, works better than that other one. So now we ain't gonna have that issue of struggling. The new part, as you can see, came with the hose clamp already. So that was good on that side. I think that's what they should have done on this top side. It would have been a lot easier whenever I was getting it off. This thing focuses. But whenever I was getting it off, it would have been a lot easier. We would have just had a hose clamp. But now we already got the 5 screws back in. So now we're just gonna tighten it. So let's get to that right now. I don't have my stand on me, so I'm just gonna screw those and I'll get to the next part. All right, big dogs, we tightened up those 5. Next step for me is the starter. I was able to twist it back in there, put it in. Now we gotta raise the car and put the screws in through the bottom. So let's do that right now. All right, once y'all come under here, I'm gonna have 1 bolt there and 1 bolt right up top. Y'all can see on this damn flashlight's fucking it up for me. 1 bolt there, 1 bolt right on top. Not too hard to access, just 2 bolts. Now the starter's in, so let's go back up to the top. So we're back up top. As you can see, it's a whole clusterfuck up here. The only thing I'm worried about is all these damn sensors, dog. I gotta make sure I connect all the sensors. There's like 1 over there, 1 right here. There's 1 right here. There's this one. There's this one. I just gotta remember where they all go sensed up. Look, right there's another sensor. So gotta see where they all go connected, sensed up. See where they all go connected. And let's put this manifold back in there. But first I gotta look under there because I know there were some tight ones that we had to get out. We had to put in first before we were able to take this out. So we're gonna have to put them connectors in first and then put this back in. All right, we kind of got the manifold in. Now I'm trying to find all the sensors. Haven't plugged them in, but I just put them in just like that, just to 1, 2. This one goes up here with this. I took this thing off too at that one point that I couldn't get the manifold off, but it was a damn screw that was hiding behind it. So this sensor goes there. This sensor goes here. This sensor goes here. There's another sensor here. Maybe it goes on. No. So there's another sensor here that goes who knows where. We're gonna have to try and find that. Oh, maybe on the box. I doubt it. Nothing here. So like I said, I'm just gonna have to try to find all the connections. Look, there's another one here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then right here, this one, it had one of those special clamps that you could only use 1 time. So I got another hose clamp. Damn it, once again, I don't know where the hell I put it, but oh, right here, look, a smaller hose clamp. So that's what I'm gonna put on there, make it a lot easier for next time. But so far, I just gotta find all the sensors. This one, I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna have to find this. So I don't know where the hell this shit goes, but I have to look. And like I said, this one right here, I still don't know where that one goes. So that's what I'm gonna try and find right now. All right, big dogs. Now it's getting a lot easier. Finally was able to tighten the manifold up. So now all the sensors. And remember I was telling you I couldn't find one? The motherfucker was hidden back there, falling down. So that one's gonna go with this one. So I finally got that. I had took this manifold off again because I thought it was like from the injector or something, as an injector sensor or something. So I had to take the manifold back off. It wasn't it. Finally stuck my hand back there because this thing just kept pointing that way, pointing that way. I was like, every time I let it go, it just goes that way. So I finally put my hand back there, and there it was, big dog. So now we're gonna have to put this back on, put all these sensors on, and that's what we're gonna do next. We also got to put this top back on also, and we got to figure out where this thing goes right here, because I don't even know where this thing goes anymore, big dogs. We're gonna have to figure that out and connect it, and we should be good to go after that. So let's get to it. All right, you guys, another mistake. Forgot to get this hose from the bottom and put it in through here. So I had to loosen up the manifold once again. Loosen it up just a little bit, left the screws in there, found the hose, brought it back in, retightened everything, connected all the sensors, connected my line down here, make sure that don't go nowhere. Now, next is this little housing piece right here that I am about to put on next. Goes in there like that. We're gonna connect that sensor. And actually, guys, wasn't as stressful today putting it on. The other days taking it off, I guess because I ain't never done it, it was very stressful. But now I could say it's pretty easy, guys. It's not that hard. It is difficult, but it's not hard. So, or I don't know which one's worse, difficult or hard, but either way, it's not that bad. Just a little bit. Got all the sensors connected. Computer's gonna go back down, sitting right here. Then we still gotta put the air filter back on. Next is the housing, though. That's what I'm gonna do next. So let's get to that right now. All right, big dogs, finally got it in. Except for this piece right here, I had to use WD-40, shove that in there. This was a little bit difficult to put in also because it's got some kind of grooves down here where it's got to go in. Need to finally go in, but hesitated with that. Make sure you clamp on your computer, both sides. And this thing is ready to go. Make sure y'all connect this hose back on right here. I think that's about it. We're about to connect the battery and put some coolant and check the oil and see what's going on. All right, big dog, I got a little carried away last night. Forgot to make the video of it running. Car runs good. It was already late last night too. I was just in a hurry. I was hungry and everything. But let's pop the hood open, dog. Pop the hood open and show y'all. Oh shit, I forgot to put the cap back on. I need to put the protector up here up top. But everything else runs great. Turns on like nothing and everything will turn it on. Better go get that plastic right now. See, let me turn off this light. It's not letting me zoom out. There we go. Turns on. What is this? Tire pressure sensors. Everything's good. Car runs fine. You can hear it's always made this noise right here. I don't know. I'm guessing it's normal. Ever since I bought the car, it's always made this noise until it warms up. Once it warms up, it gets a little bit quieter, but it always makes that noise at the beginning. I don't know why. It's like not really a ticking sound, but kind of a ticking sound. But once it warms up, it's good to go. But oil's good. Everything is good. Coolant's good. So car's running fine. No more leak. It was leaking right here after I put that gasket on. I don't know why, but it started leaking from over here. All I did, I tightened up these screws right here that it has. Let's see if you can see it. There's a screw right here. It was leaking from like right here. So I just tightened up them screws. And lucky for me, let me see if I can turn the light on. You have to see it was staining it full of oil. But it was leaking last night. I tightened it up. But now it's good to go. It was leaking all right here from this little gasket area too. I don't know since that side was fixed, it pressured up over here, and I don't know, but all I did was tighten it, so it's good to go. There's no more leaks down here. Get down here, you can see right now it would have been dripping. You can see there's nothing now, so we're good to go, big dogs. Car runs fine and everything. But yeah, I'm about to go get the cap, put that back on, but just wanted to let y'all know, finished product right here. Like I said, if you have the patience, if it's your first time doing it, you gotta have a lot of patience, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass, bro, I'll tell you that. But once you take it all apart one time, putting it back together and taking it off the second time is gonna be easy for me now. It's just that very first time, if you ain't done it before, it's a pain in the ass, dog. This shit had me pissed off for a week, dog. But appreciate y'all, thanks for watching. 2013 Mercedes-Benz, here we go. This car's good to go. Appreciate y'all for watching.